people of Jamaica deserve to go to bed and not worry about their safety. Children deserve to go to school without fear of molestation. Adults deserve to work hard, nurture their children, and enjoy the benefits of their hard work.
Priority number 3 for the government for 2013-2014 seeks to ensure just that, improve the security and safety, so citizens will feel confident to live, work, raise families, and do business here in Jamaica. It's being achieved through a raft of measures, including legislative reform, capacity building within the security forces, and the promotion of community security and safety initiatives. The National Security Ministry has placed 5 legislative priorities on its agenda this year to strengthen the legal capacity of the courts and to ensure criminals receive stiffer penalties for their offenses. Among them is a recently tabled amendment to the Criminal Justice Suppression of Organized Criminal Groups Act and amendments to the Trafficking in Persons, Prevention, Suppression and Punishment Act to make provision for offenses like assault, carnal abuse, rape, child pornography, forced labor, or forced begging.
There were no specific provisions for these additional offenses, and when they occurred, the practice had been to prosecute them as separate offenses under existing laws. With the amendments, the court will impose on a person convicted of a trafficking offense, an additional 10 years if there are these aggravating factors.
Institutional strengthening is also big on the agenda. Specialized units like the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force MOCA, the Anti-Lottery Scam Task Force, the Cyber Crimes Unit, and the Organized Crime Investigation Division OCID will continue to target specific criminal networks.
We are going to be focusing mainly on a counter-gang strategy, which we believe, if successful, could disrupt some gangs, could displace some gang members, could degrade the capabilities of some gangs, and hopefully could defeat and demolish some gangs. We intend to pursue this by improved intelligence for policing.
That's in addition to efforts by the Security Ministry to boost the technical capacity of the security forces through measures like the continued development of an automated palm and fingerprint identification system, APFIS, and others. Meanwhile, the human resource capacity of both the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF, and the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, should be strengthened through an ongoing recruitment drive.
It is indeed time for all Jamaica, not only those in government or law enforcement, but all of us in the public and private sector, to work together to address the root causes of many of our social problems that lead to crime and violence.
It was that vision which led to the development of the Citizen Security and Justice Program, CSJP, which provides social intervention strategies for as many as 50 volatile communities. That program is to be expanded thanks to financial injection from international partners, which will ensure that persons within these communities continue to benefit from training in conflict resolution, skills training, parenting workshops, employment opportunities, and other initiatives. Social and economic development in volatile communities will also be encouraged through the Community Renewal Program, coupled with the strengthening of community policing methods. There are also moves to reform the justice system. While there is an increased emphasis on the development of restorative justice, it has been complemented by the refurbishing of courthouses, an increase in judges, and the review of outdated laws.
We, the people, need to resolve that individually and as a community, we are accountable, and therefore it is our resolve to move Jamaica towards becoming a safe and secure society.